Hi guys, see today I'm making rajma. ये देखो डाल दिए हैं खड़े मसाले rajma. Second thing I'm going to put is this ginger garlic and green chili mix. Wait. Next I'm putting this onion and इसको golden brown होने तक we will fry it. So it's already golden brown now. Now we'll put 3 tomatoes, tomato puree. The mixie में I have made the puree and I'll add this now. So I have added tomato puree. Onion I have taken 2 medium size, 2.5 I suppose, and I have mixed 3 tomato purees in this because in rajma you need flavors of tomatoes. So okay, now next step is to add in the spices, whatever you have. I'll be starting with basic. And first I'll add little bit of haldi and then salt, everything according to your taste. Not telling you how much masala to put because you know whatever I say you're going to put according to your taste palette. So this goes red chili powder. This is garam masala, yeah, some more, and then I'm going to add जीरा पाउडर जो कि मेरे इनो बॉटल में सो आई एडेड दिस मच ऑफ अर्लियर ऑल्सो एक तो मैंने डाला था, फिर से थोड़ा सा और डाल रही हूँ. डन नाउ एंड मिक्स. अच्छा मुझे कमेंट्स में बताना हु ऑल यूज़ सच काइंड ऑफ बॉटल्स रीयूज़ फॉर योर मसालाज. बताना मुझे. ये हम मम्मीज़ के हैक कौन फॉलो करते हैं. आई तो डू फॉर फ्यू थिंग्स. Comment में बताना who all does it. Okay, now this is how it looks. Fully mashed. Masala is fully ready. Now in goes the rajma. It's almost 250 grams to 300 grams of rajma I'm putting. Okay. Now I'm adding some water. So जिसमें मैंने मिक्सी ग्राइंड में जिसमें मैंने